Good morning. I'm Goro Keita, and welcome to today's briefing. We're seeing a significant shift in the markets, driven by a broad AI rout sparked by China's DeepSeek. The Nasdaq is leading the declines, with makers of AI infrastructure suffering steep falls, many in the double digits. Nvidia, a key player in the AI space, is down. To Anam, the sudden move has investors reeling, and we're seeing a ripple effect across the tech sector. As we the details, it's essential to understand the implications of this AI-driven market shift and how it may impact your investments. Please note that this analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as direct investment advice. The next layer changes everything. Let's take a closer look at the Indonesian stock market, where the IHSG is currently trading at 6,175.54, with a bullish trend. The current price represents a satu increase, with a volume of 205704000. This uptrend is notable, especially when compared to the broader market decline. We need to consider the factors driving this growth and whether it's sustainable in the long term. As an investor, it's crucial to stay informed about the macroeconomic signals and their potential impact on your portfolio. What most people miss is simple. In the crypto space, we're seeing a bullish trend across the board, with Binance Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Solana all experiencing gains. Bitcoin, in particular, has seen a null semblant increase in the past 24 hours, with a current price of 65,089. This upward momentum is a positive sign for the crypto market, but we need to be cautious and consider the potential risks and volatility associated with these assets. As we analyze the crypto market, it's essential to keep in mind that this is a high-risk, high-reward space, and investors should be prepared for sudden changes. Seen from another angle, the Problem Shifts X has relaunched its rebuilt Android app after a year-long effort, marking a significant milestone for the company. This move is expected to improve user experience and increase engagement. As we consider the implications of this development, it's essential to think about the broader tech landscape and how this may impact the competitive dynamics in the industry. We'll be keeping a close eye on X's progress and its potential impact on the market. The consequence becomes clearer here. OpenAI's concerns about open-weight models have sparked a debate about the potential risks and challenges associated with these technologies. As we explore this topic, it's crucial to consider the long-term implications and potential consequences of these advancements. The U.S. government's stance on this issue will be closely watched, and we can expect to see further developments in the coming months. As an investor, it's essential to stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and their potential impact on the market. Behind this signal, a larger pressure builds. Natural, a startup focused on reinventing payments for AI agents, has raised $3 in funding. This investment is expected to drive innovation in the financial architecture for autonomous AI transactions. As we analyze this development, it's essential to consider the potential applications and implications of this technology. We'll be keeping a close eye on Natural's progress and its potential impact on the market. The next step narrows the search. The Nigerian president has signed an order on the approach to crypto regulation and taxes, marking a significant milestone for the country. This move is expected to provide clarity and guidance for investors and businesses operating in the crypto space. As we consider the implications of this development, it's essential to think about the broader regulatory landscape and how this may impact the global crypto market. We'll be monitoring the situation closely and providing updates as more information becomes available. At this stage, the pattern breaks. On the developer radar, we're seeing significant interest in the Xi.org/Grok build repository, which has garnered over 20,000 stars on GitHub. This project is focused on building a coding agent harness and TUI, and its popularity is a testament to the growing demand for innovative developer tools. As we analyze this trend, it's essential to consider the potential applications and implications of this technology. We'll be keeping a close eye on the developer community and its impact on the broader tech landscape. What makes this matter is key. In other news, Exodus, a crypto wallet company, has announced plans to cut Dua Lima of its staff as part of a company reorganization. This move is expected to have significant implications for the company and the broader crypto market. As we consider the potential consequences of this development, It's essential to think about the challenges facing the crypto industry and the need for companies to adapt to changing market conditions. We'll be monitoring the situation closely and providing updates as more information becomes available. Finally, the clues point to the question. Hut-Delapan and IREN have announced deals that are expected to lift AI-focused Bitcoin mining stocks. This development is a positive sign for the crypto mining industry, and we can expect to see increased investment and innovation in this space. As we analyze this trend, it's essential to consider the potential applications and implications of AI-powered mining. We'll be keeping a close eye on the crypto mining industry and its potential impact on the broader market. Look at the first clue. COMEX gold and silver have settled lower. With gold down to MPAT and silver down due Lima, this decline is a notable development, especially when considered in the context of the broader market decline. As we analyze this trend, it's essential to think about the potential implications for investors and the global economy. We'll be monitoring the situation closely and providing updates as more information becomes available. The next layer changes everything. Today's briefing has highlighted the significant shifts in the market, driven by the AI route and the broader tech landscape. As an investor, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments and their potential impact on your portfolio. We'll be keeping a close eye on the market and providing updates as more information becomes available. Please subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and insights, and we'll see you in the next briefing. What most people miss is simple. Before we go, I'd like to remind you that this analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as direct investment advice. It's essential to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. We're committed to providing you with the most accurate and up-to-date information, and we appreciate your trust in our analysis. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next briefing.